Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Testers Jones. So again, I'm back with one topic which is very important and very confusing in testing field. Like, what is the difference between checking and testing? So both are a very similar terms, and it might be confuse you sometime during the testing process. So what exactly the difference between testing and checking? I'm just going to tell you. Testing terms, as a tester we use very frequently, or better to say always we use a testing word, but as a developer they also do a kind of testing on their written codes, but they don't say a kind of term like testing. They used to tell a word like checking. Why they used to tell checking rather than testing? Because they have written a piece of code, a snippet of code, which they are going to check, like whether that particular snippet of code is working properly or not. So they are not going to check each and everything which is dependent on that piece of code. They are just checking the logic which they have implemented in that particular snippet of code, that is working or not. So they are not testing, they are just doing the kind of check. So that is a checking. But once that feature is implemented and that is delivered to the tester as a build, and we are going to test the particular feature or particular sub feature, whether it is going to affect to the other dependent modules or not, that we can say like kind of testing. So this is the basic difference between the testing and checking. So checking means only checking the particular snippet of code which is which we have implemented basically, and the testing in the sense that piece of code is going to affect some dependent areas. We need to test all those areas as well as the area where actually that code has implemented or added. So that's all about the testing and checking. And one more point I want to add, like if you are telling checking means it is giving you the result as a boolean value, like true or false. You are asking a question, it is giving the output as true or false. Like if someone is asking you whether this piece of code is working or not, so answer will be yes, it is working, means true, it is working, or false, no, it is not working. Your answer will be like a one term in the boolean term, like yes, true or false. So this helps to segregate the term testing and checking, because in testing we cannot get the specific true or false value as a boolean value. We will be getting a kind of description on every kind of the query. So our intention will be to explore the thing, to invent some new things, go in depth in the in the process and try to get more from that. So that is the main intention of the testing. But checking is not that much in depth. That is just to focus on the area where we are working and what we have new developed, just to get the the boolean value, like yeah, it is working or it is not working. So there is no any other dependent areas where we are going for testing. So that is the basic difference between these two guys. I hope this was a very interesting video for the learners who used to get confused in a kind of word like checking or testing. But still, if you have a doubt, you can just ping me in the comment section. And again, I'm just adding one blog also, which is written by the Michael Bolton, and that will give you the more in-depth idea on the checking and testing, what is the actual difference between these two terms. So that will be helpful. Please check the description and get the link of that blog and go through that. And if you will have any doubt, you can just make a comment and I will be happy to give you the reply of that comments, guys. Thanks. Thank you so much.